Welcome back everyone to our last song today. It's going to be Sing It Live doing a flock of seagulls I ran. I hope you all enjoy it. Let's check this one out, shall we? co-sung that was. Really nice singing on that one on top of that. Great video as well, and a really good instrument sounds as well. I really enjoyed that one very much. I did a good job with that one. I enjoyed the other two songs today. They were very nice indeed. I loved everything today. Hope you all enjoyed them all as well. All very good today. And I'll see you all later. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.